Here, I want to show you how to put your decal on your air breather. It's fairly simple, trying to do this with one hand. Go ahead and take your decal off. First of all, clean this area with rubbing alcohol. And that way it doesn't have any wax or anything. This decal, you can lay it, you can reposition it. It doesn't stick until you actually press on it. It will stick a little bit, but it'll pull right off. What I do is I line this area up. If I had both hands, I would grab a hold of that end and then just lay that on there. As you can see, I can reposition it a little bit. Once you have it in there where you want it, just go ahead and rub it in. Now the 103 is kind of embossed, so you're gonna feel it. You're not really gonna see it that well. Push that in, and as you can see, I was off. I'm going to use both hands. I know that I got a black screen. There. So basically, what I did was I used one hand to hold on here, one hand to hold on here, kind of pull it, and then lay it on there. And now just rub it in.